update. I replaced the left side strut control arm, sway bar link, yeah, that's about it. And then mounting the tire. I will show you. So, position of the right tire and the position of the left tire. So, it will need an alignment. Part 3 of a Veloster project. Today we will try to fix the wheel alignment. Left side wheel is sticking out too much, and I will try to loosen it up a little bit and bring it back so the vehicle is drivable, so we can take it to body shop. So let me show you what we're working on today. So as you can see, left side of the wheel is pretty much parallel with the rear side of the wheel. This is the position of the left one. So this side, as we can see, it's off by quite a bit. Steering wheel is centered. So what we are gonna try to do is to just clean up. this is drivable, at least to a body shop, and we'll see it from there. 5.8 plus. 3/4. I think this is where we will lock it. Okay, so we will assume that this side is more aligned than the one that was damaged. So I will explain you how did I check and corrected the other side. So I'm using two buckets with a with a string and a tape measure. Very simple. Definitely DIY project. If you guys are for some watermelon, go ahead, help yourself. Okay, so I will adjust the rear tire to be at 1/2 inch. GoPro, join me. Okay, so half inch from the inner side of the wheel, right? This side is at 5/8. So it will need to be adjusted. Half inch. Half inch. Beautiful. Half inch. One quarter. Okay. I really hope that this helps you guys. I wanted just to be able to run, like to drive the vehicle and not to be afraid that worst will be done to the axle. Okay? So let's join me for a ride. Okay, so this is the tire that has been in a collision. We will try to smooth this out as best as we can. Okay, so I think I will need these rotors, those discs. As you can see, here there's a quite significant bump. I think I will need to take the rotor to be sanded, if that's the correct word. Yeah, like all the immigrants of the world unite and help me with my broken bad English. But I hope you guys don't mind that, right? I can definitely hear some crumbling noise when I'm driving, and I'm thinking that's because of the road. I do have as well ABS lights on. Could that be an issue? Not sure. Okay, that's it for today. Next step is taking the vehicle tomorrow to the body shop, working on the doors. Maybe if I will get a good price, I will touch these up as well. These are small rusty spots. Not sure how they will be able to do that for cheap. The bumper after that, pretty straightforward. This one doesn't have anything like that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Take care.